In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to identify a song that is playing in your browser and perhaps you don't know the name or the artist. So let's get into it. The very first thing is to open your browser, and then I'm using Google Chrome for this one. So I go to the three dots here and go to extensions, then visit Chrome Web Store. So as it opens, I search for Shazam. So this particular icon, or Shazam, and then I say yes. So I do add to Chrome, then add extension. So now it says find song. So I just go to YouTube or any other place to find a song. Extensions, manage extension, and then what I do is that I pin it here. So once I pin it here, I see it there, and then I just come back here and then wait for it to play any song that is available. So let me just select any one, music, and then I select this one, and as it's playing, I just
During a storm, choosing your battle, pick yourself up and dust yourself up and back in the saddle.
So as you can see, it finds the song here, and that is the easiest way. That is the easiest way to find it. So once I found it, I just go to music, whatever it is. Then I find the name of the artist and then the title of the song. So that's it. So this is the easiest way to identify a song by artist and then also by title. And also using the Shazam app, it actually looks for the instrumentals in the song and then the lyrics to find the song for you. Till the next one, this is the Tech Hub. I am Aldo. Bye for now.